Have you ever looked at something and wondered why it was made that way? Like, why is there a hole at the end of a pen cap? Or why are there ridges on the sides of coins? Hit that like and subscribe button because we're going to find out. If you're a fan of chewing on a pen, you're not the only one. Hundreds of people actually choke on pen caps every year. Pen caps now have a little hole at the end that allows people to breathe if they accidentally inhale the cap. Still, maybe it's time to stop chewing pens. In the old days, dishonest people would shave the edges of coins. The shaved coins would be slightly lighter and technically worth less. To combat this crime, governments started to add ridges to coins. This way, if someone tried to shave a coin, it would immediately be obvious. It's probably easier to find coins lying on the ground nowadays than to shave one. Have you ever wondered about that goofy ball of yarn on top of some stocking caps? There are some conflicting stories about the purpose of these things, but one of them says that French sailors wore them on their hats to help prevent them from banging their heads on the low cabin ceilings of ships. Another not as interesting reason is that pom-poms give hats a sturdier and cleaner finishing. You could always cut it off and give it to your cat if they're not your style. The hole at the bottom of padlocks is there for a reason. These locks can be found in all types of weather, including stormy and wet climates. The hole allows water to flow through the padlock. It also gives you the ability to lubricate the lock. Both reasons help prevent a lock's internal mechanisms from rusting. Did you know that doorknobs are not found in every country in the world? Doorknobs are actually becoming less common even in the US, with door levers replacing them. People with disabilities or dexterity issues may have problems opening doors with knobs. Levers are easier to operate. Now that's a change we can get behind. Contrary to what you might think, that dent at the bottom of the bottle of wine isn't there to cheat you out of more wine. The dent is actually called a punt. Before the Industrial Revolution, all glass bottles were handmade by glass blowers, and punts actually helped the bottle stand upright. Modern technology has made this design unnecessary, but the tradition remains. Punts also make it easier to pour wine. Try it. Are there other random things on everyday objects that you find curious? Post it in the comments below and we will research it for a future video.